Ever feel like your work life is a chaotic symphony of to-do lists, overflowing inboxes, and scattered sticky notes? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to stay organized on top of tasks and keep their teams aligned. That's where project management tools come in. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? Today, we're diving deep into a powerful platform that's transforming the way teams work, Monday.com. But before we jump in, let's take a step back. What exactly is project management? In a nutshell, it's the process of organizing, planning, and executing tasks to achieve a specific goal. It's about keeping projects on track, teams in sync, and everyone accountable. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't just start hammering away without a blueprint, right? Project management is your blueprint, ensuring everyone knows what needs to be done, by whom, and when. Now back to Monday.com. Unlike traditional project management tools that can be clunky and complex, Monday.com takes a fresh approach. Imagine a giant, customizable whiteboard where you can visualize your entire workflow. That's the essence of Monday.com. So what exactly can you do with it? Here are just a few ways Monday.com can supercharge your productivity. Organize anything: project deadlines, marketing campaigns, client proposals, you name it, Monday.com can handle it. Create visual boards with drag-and-drop functionality, allowing you to effortlessly categorize and prioritize tasks. Team collaboration made easy. Forget the endless email chains. Monday.com streamlines communication with real-time updates, comments on specific tasks, and built-in chat features. Collaborate with your team seamlessly, no matter where they are in the world. Automate repetitive tasks. Tired of manually assigning tasks and updating spreadsheets? Monday.com automates the mundane, freeing up your time for more strategic work. Set up automated workflows to streamline your processes and reduce human error. Visualize your progress. Want to see your project roadmap at a glance? Monday.com offers powerful dashboards with customizable widgets. Track progress, identify roadblocks, and celebrate milestones, all in one place. Boost transparency and accountability. Everyone on your team can see exactly what needs to be done and who's responsible. This fosters transparency, keeps everyone on the same page, and boosts accountability. But wait, there's more. Monday.com isn't a one-trick pony. It boasts a wide range of features that cater to various needs. Integrations galore. Connect Monday.com with your favorite tools like Slack, Dropbox, and Google Drive. Create a central hub for all your project information, eliminating the need to switch between multiple platforms. Customizable views. Whether you prefer a Kanban board, a calendar view, a timeline, or a simple list, Monday.com offers a variety of layouts to suit your team's preferences. Mobile app. Stay on top of your projects on the go. The intuitive mobile app allows you to access boards, update tasks, and collaborate with your team from anywhere in the world. Monday.com. Is it right for you? Monday.com is a versatile tool that caters to a wide range of teams and projects. Whether you're a small startup, a large corporation, or a freelance creative, Monday.com can help you streamline your workflow, boost communication, and achieve your goals. The best way to find out if Monday.com is a good fit for you is to try it out yourself. They offer a free trial that allows you to explore the platform and see how it can transform your work life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy managing.